The one-to-one meetings are very unique because depending on who they are, they're looking for something very different. It could be supply chain issues, it could be accessibility to different materials, and just being able to, have that list of people that you'd be meeting with beforehand, so you can be prepared and, what are their pain points, what are their needs, what are they in supply chain, are they in engineering, so you can really gear your, presentation towards what they're looking for. I mean, when you're doing just your standard, product show, people are, I call it window shopping. They're walking by and they pause and, is it something I need? And then they just walk by. Here, you know who you're meeting with, you know what they're looking for, and so when you have that meeting, the initial trying to, hey, will you pick up my call, will you answer my email kind of thing, you skip through all of that and you have the immediate focus of that provider.